Pimples. Maybe. What's up, Mrs. Roller? Sir Fred! Hi, Ray Miller. The hobby is maybe he is sleeping because before I do live, I try to call but no answer. Maybe he's sleeping now. Sir John! Hi, Sir John! Have a nice day, Sir John. Sir Kevin! McConnell, hi. Have a nice day. He sleeps more than he's awake. Yes, he's too much sleep. How many days? 25 days. 25 days, Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Kevin. 25 days to go. My gulay. Maybe oh Lord. Oh Lord, 25. Oh Lord. Hi, Gurgus. How are you been? I'm doing live. Arkelong. Arkelong. My birthday on Saturday po. Ah, this Saturday, Sir John. Advance happy birthday, Sir John. My God. Advance happy birthday po. Advance happy birthday. Oh my God. We, Sir Fred, Sir John, me, we both, February, born on February. Hi, Noel. It's Carpentry by Design. Hi from New York City. Hi. Thank you for joining. Happy birthday, users. User, his name is John. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Thanks, Fred. Wait, my father. Wait lang. Apay. Wait. My father. No, no.
Wow ka? Sige?
Makulit sa pag-iniwan.
Hindi mo ko papay. Wow ka? Ayun mo ko doon. Oh, lutong ka?
Wait. Tubig? Meron ka tubig? Sa ospital? Oo.
Isa ba ito? Kayo na yung dulo? Ano? Bye. Ano ba ito, Beng? Alas na. Yan, nagkaroon. Hello?
Bell. Bell.
Agi man lang yung tatay.
So old? What do you mean? My birthday on Saturday. And then your life changes. Huh? Hi, Kevin. Yes, my life changes. But Sir Fred. Hello, pretty girl. Hi, Hans Landa. I know his number, but I always say by names here. Ah, okay po. Dolly Low. Mine was yesterday. So that's call from Sir John. Just a number. Just a number. Happy birthday, Fred from Sir John Bell. Two numbers. Just, yes. You have some beautiful hair. Thank you. Hope your father is okay. Yes. Thank you, Eric Thomas. Blue Shy TV Blog. Hi. Hello, Jollibee. Hi, Kuya Dre. Cheryl, do I understand that you're engaged and being married soon? Thank you, Sir Derek. Thank you po. Humbertoli Delano. Hello, love. Greetings from Tampico, Mexico. Hi. From Mexico. Pedro Salva, my beautiful friend, greetings. How are you? I'm fine. I'm always fine. You didn't answer my question. I answered. I already answered. You said, sure, I do understand that you're engaged and being married soon. Yes, po. Yes, sir, Derek. Hi, Charlie. Charlie. Hi, Jane. You're a very beautiful woman, my beautiful friend. Thank you, Pedro. Pedro talaga. Thank you, Pedro. Pedro Salva. I think I see my future jowa. You see na? Who's your future jowa? Hello, Cesar Vasquez. Hi. Thank you for being honest. Yes. Thank you, Sir Derek. Need to be honest. No need to lie. No need to hide. Lying is a cheating. You look like Luisilio. Who's Luisilio? Hi, beautiful. Hi, Pew. Hi, Pew. Like you. Like your eyes. Thank you. Like you very much, my beautiful. Because you are very natural woman. Oh, thank you. Really natural woman. Thank you. You love my eyes. My eyes not good, I think. I thought you already had Dre. My crush is my future. Who's your crush? Kuya Dre.
Diri paratas na. Ayaw, maano, maano.
Kuya, ka nga ni. Kuya Dre. Hi, Kuya. Me. Hi, niece. From Sir John. Yes. Sir John, I want you to meet a Filipina woman. She's beautiful. Right there. She wants to meet you, Sir John. Just don't chat with women who are involved with others. Thank you, Sir Derek. Thank you for being a good friend so much. Thank you. Thank you pa. You look beautiful with your hair down. Hi, SSS. Thank you, S. Thank you, Triple S. Always problem, Fred. Always problem. The problem is always problem with Jowa. I know what you mean. Sika! Glad mind, calm down. Yes, me too. I need to calm down because not healthy. Not healthy if always argue, fighting. Not healthy relationship. Hello from Italy. Hi. Fafu Fafu. Fafu Fafu. I'm boxer. I'm a boxer and my idol is Manny Pacquiao. Talaga. Ibang idol mo tayo. So who is my Master Woman? Sir John, your Master Woman. She's so beautiful. I want you to meet here. When I do live, you will see po. You will meet here, Sir John. Pico Zaid. Hi, Pico. William Warren, hello. Sa pinipili ko naman kasi ang hinain mo. Pag-lugi ka na. 25. From the top. 25. I can't handle that anymore, but I will stay single for a while, Fred. 24. Brazil. Hi, Nicolas Vasconcelos from Brazil. Thank you. I'm watching my own live. Look. Because sometimes I can't see the other comment here on the screen, but the other phone I see, that's why. Don't blame Yadri. There's many more out here. 23. Why you count down, Sir Fred? 22, what happened? Hello, pretty lady. Hi, hello. 1, 2, 3. 21. What happened, you sir? Be careful. I was hit up with a blind date and I ran the other way. The first chance I got in. Really? No, this woman, I know this woman. Sir Warren. She's so kind and beautiful. The days that you became happy. Ah, okay.
Nabasa no.
The days that will become happy. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Lumo naman yung pagkadali na to.
I was just checking. Yeah, because if she's not good, it affects of my reputation because I was the ano something like that. Rackman, are you going to see you doing Zumba, Miss Cheryl, this coming Saturday? Sunday. The Zumba is always Sunday morning. 25 days is going to go really slow. Yes, my God. Tomorrow, 24 days na. Warren. Hey girl, how are you doing? I'm doing live. Thank you. Always thank you, Sir Rackman. Where are you from, Rackman? Rackman. Good. Hello, maybe. Hello, maybe. Why maybe? Oscar.
Baka na lang ako mamaya. Pag gutom ako.
Well, who would you fix me up with it? I'm 60 feet and tall with hazel eyes color. I am 57 years old. Okay, maybe you will find Sir Warren. But Sir John, I know Sir John. She's a good friend. That's why. He's the good. That's why. You know, the trusting is not so easy to give to someone. So maybe that for me, I have a trust issue. But yes. Hi, Sir Jamie. Hey, okay, I understand. Thank you, Sir Warren. William Warren. Cheryl, connect him with you, boss. Counselor. Yes, that's why. We have a counselor here, that's why. Before anything else. Need a counseling. If it's not work, need to handle that situation, the attitude, the culture. Paulit-ulit ka man.
Kampay yun ate, galing yun.
Guyabano, pwede yung kampapay. Eh, I am going shopping po. See you later. Thank you, Sir John. God bless, Sir John. Speaker. Beautiful. Good morning. Good slack stream. Thank you. Pep. Be safe, you sir. Be safe, Sir John. Churupan. Tigiding ting ting tong. Di naman sa pinipilit ko, ako na lang kasing pili. Yes, I come from military family. Okay. Where are you from, Sir William? Ko naman siyang piliin mo, pag luging-lugi ka na. Colorado, USA, Canada. I come from crazy family. I come from weirdo family. My gulay. Hi DG, this is 1-2. What are you singing about? Like, it is, you can come with me if you are feeling lost, something like if you feel sad, if you feel broken. Pag luging-lugi ka na, pwede sa ngayon. You can choose me if you are feeling lost. No, Canada, just Colorado, USA. Okay. Tagalog song. I have never been out of the USA before. Ah, okay po. Hi, Zilly Kumaran. Zilly Kumaran. Paulo Lima. Hi, Paulo Lima. Paglugin-lugi ka na. It's only about 24 hours flight Philippines, William. Yeah, 24 hours. Go, my gulay. Why he come here, Sir Fred? I am a southern man and I have the southern hospitality as well, and that means respect. And that means respect. Well, hello, good evening from Mexico. Hi, Machas Fernan. Good evening po. My goodness, I can't wait to take that flight again. I will leave you a like. I'll leave you a like. Thank you, Machas Fernan. Seeing you brought summer of my heart, this sailing to the plain brought snow to my mountain, loving you brought a smile to my face, thinking you were far away made my heart feel confirmed. Wow. It's a poem. Fred Farrell, I check on the flight from Colorado to Cebu. It is a 18-hour flight. Wow, just 18 hour. Hi Cheryl Parts. Hi Sir Renel. Sir Ranel, thank you so much, Sir Ranel. How are you po, Sir Ranel? Never comes fast enough, Trey. Yes, ma'am. Wow. Just 18 hours. From Cebu. Okay, maybe just 18 hours. Me, I'm from Bicol. Hi, Sir Ryan. How are you po? Pagluging, my love. Hi, Euripides. I've been here a few times and never the past, William, but I fly from JFK, New York. JFK, New York. Thank you sa nag-likes. How you doing? I'm doing well. I work on morning, just come home because break time. So after a few minutes, going to work again. Months, Fred. Months. Months. Christmas months. Hi, Ernesto Sadyasa. Linda. Linda, banana, Bella, Pipa.
Isipin mabuti.
Tanong lang naman. Sige. Alberto Boy, ito. Ghost. Ghost. I'm your fan. Thank you, Euripides. Greetings from Brazil. Hi. Thank you, Paulo Lima from Brazil. Pagluging-lugi ka na, pwede sa akin tumaya. Hello from Sydney, Australia. Hi, Jeffrey Haynes. Thank you for joining, Sir Jeffrey Haynes. Mayon pa dito tabi, Kuya Gab, sin Irugson mo na, Guyabano. Ko tabi dito. Badi, ubo. Because I'm a little closer to Alaska, and it's a little while from Alaska to Cebu. Ah, okay. Me, I'm living in Bicol. Ba't ang tabi sa may rep, sa may ano, freezer tabi? Salamat. Okay, so flight from Alaska to Cebu, 18 hours. Maybe just 18 hours from Cebu to I don't know. Yeah. Alaska is going crazy. Yes. So Alaska so cold. The flight from Pueblo, Colorado, it is 18 hours total. Okay. Okay. Well, that's good. Kasi ang pili pagluging-lugi ka na, okay. Pwede sa akin tumaya. Hello, Cheryl, everyone. Hi, Sir Pat. Thank you, Sir Pat. Jui. Juzui. Hi, Octavio Perez Medina. Hi. Hi, David Gans. Hello. My auntie sister used to live in Alaska. She said it got 50 below 0 degrees and it snows feet deep. Oh my god. So cold. Hello, Brother Fred. Good to see you from Sir Pat. Bong Moto TV. Thumbs up. Thank you, Bong Moto TV. Thank you for joining po. Where she live. Okay po. Hello, William. Good to see you, brother, from Sir Pat. Hi, Pat, from Sir Fred. Nyaha. Hi, Kabidzar. Hi. Welcome po. Thank you, Bong Moto TV. Thank you. Means the family friend. Yan sa akin tumaya. Kasi ang piliin mo. Lugi ka na. Pat in the Cherokee language. See you, hello. Cherokee language. What Cherokee language? Gab, ubuso mo ng gadito ha. Makurulugso ng tiyan mo. Ase. Nakapira ka na. Pira na lang dito ang da. Church. And I dream about life. Luging-lugi ka na. Pwede sa akin tumaya. simply looking. Cheryl, Cheryl, how's it going? How's it going? What do you mean po? Well, all still their pet. From Sir Fred. Goody, hi, Elton Dulcifel. My great my great grandparents are the Eastern Band Cherokee, and I have their blood in me as well, so I am Eastern Band Cherokee as well. I'll keep on. Why should marry you? Yes, brother Fred. Jose Luis. Wait lang. Wait. Ano pa eh? Wait.